Welcome to this guide on navigating international car rental disputes. We will discuss how to handle unexpected charges, featuring a real-world example to guide you through the process. Let's start with a real-world example that happened in Austria. A renter was on holiday and, unexpectedly, faced a charge of €1,000 for a tiny scratch on a rental car. Despite denying causing any damage, the rental company escalated the issue, ultimately involving debt collection agencies and issuing a threatening legal notice. In today's video, we will go over several key issues and pieces of advice to keep in mind if you ever find yourself in a similar situation. We will emphasize the importance of documentation, discuss methods to formally dispute charges, uncover tactics used by debt collectors, explain international legal hurdles, and give tips on how to handle legal threats. First and foremost, documentation is crucial. Whenever you rent a vehicle, always take photos of the car both before you drive away and after you return it. This visual evidence is your best protection against any false claims that may arise. When disputing a charge, it is important to do it early and in a formal manner. Be sure to immediately respond in writing if you disagree with any charges. Provide as much evidence as possible to support your case. Let's test your understanding. Why is it important to take photos before and after your rental? Is it A, to remember your trip, B, to protect against false claims, or C, to share on social media? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to protect against false claims. By taking photos, you arm yourself with visual proof, which can be a decisive factor in defending against any false claims from the rental company. Now let's discuss debt collection tactics. It's not uncommon for debt collection agencies to use aggressive approaches. If you believe the claim is invalid, it's advisable to ignore these tactics. Often, debts are sold to these agencies for a fraction of their actual cost. Now, let's understand the international legal hurdles you might face. Legal systems outside of your home country usually have limitations. Most courts generally don't have jurisdiction beyond their national borders. This makes it unlikely that a foreign entity will pursue legal action against you in your home country for a small claim. In the realm of legal threats, it's important to note that these are often scare tactics designed to push you into making payments. Legal processes are not only time-consuming, but also expensive. Therefore, they are usually used as a psychological tool to encourage quick settlements rather than actual legal actions. Here's another quiz for you. What should you do if you believe a debt claim is invalid? Is it A, pay immediately, B, ignore aggressive tactics, or C, travel back to the rental location? You can pause and think over it, and we will go through the answer next. The correct answer is ignore aggressive tactics. If you believe a debt is invalid, ignoring aggressive escalations can sometimes be an appropriate response. Finally, consider these additional tips. First, keep in mind that unpaid debts can sometimes impact your credit score, although not all are reported across borders. Second, avoid engaging in communication with debt collectors and rental companies if the charge appears invalid. If the issue escalates to a concerning level, it may be beneficial to consult with a legal professional who specializes in international law. To wrap up, remember to document all interactions with the rental company. Dispute any charges promptly and formally. Understand the limitations of cross-border legal proceedings, and don't hesitate to seek legal advice if needed. Thank you for watching this video on navigating international car rental disputes. If you found this information useful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences, so feel free to comment below.